Welcome back to Spill the Tea. Today's trending story is about love, age and public opinion. Fashion influencer Sarah Langa and Stormers rugby star Sasha Finback Mngomezulu are facing online criticism after their relationship became public, mainly because of their 9-year age gap. Sarah, aged 32, and Sasha, aged 23, have been spotted together, sparking conversations across Mzansi. While some fans celebrated their romance, others raised eyebrows, questioning the age difference. Critics argue that the age gap feels unusual, while supporters insist that love knows no age. One user tweeted, "She's living her best life. Let her be happy." Another wrote, "9 years is too much. It feels off." The debate quickly turned into a broader conversation about age gaps in relationships. Celebrity romances often attract scrutiny because they play out in the public eye. Age gaps in particular tend to spark heated debates about maturity, power dynamics, and societal expectations. Sarah and Sasha's relationship is a reminder that love stories are complicated, and while the public may debate, only the couple truly knows their journey. What do you think of Sarah Langa and Sasha Finback Mngomezulu's romance? Is the 9-year age gap a big deal, or just another example of love being love? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tea, because celebrity love stories are always trending.